The Indian economy is stabilizing after the lockdown, which almost took the whole of year 2020. News in the market is that the states are deeply thinking and projecting their concerns over the increasing number of cases of COVID-19 infection in their particular regions. According to the media reports, it's been told that the state heads still consider lockdown as an efficient mode of breaking the spread chain. Meanwhile, 5 states in the country will be experiencing elections in the coming months, and the political parties campaigning with their utmost level for the same, which includes campaigning from the BJP leader and the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, holding rallies at various parts of the regions, where he has been holding good number of crowd in the campaigns. At the same time, states like Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, concerned with the rising number of cases, are considering lockdown as the effective mode of containing the spread, with Madhya Pradesh already applied the Sunday lockdown in the cities of Bhopal, Jabalpur and Indore. But India, being the most severely hit economy of the planet due to the 2020 lockdown, how could it survive with the intensity of another lockdown if reinstated? With a very big number of population somehow survived 2020 economic crunch? This is a question which should be concerning the local and national level governments even after the starting vaccinating the population and avoid any panic in the nation. Keep watching us for more updates. Thank you.